Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use stealth mode on Midjourney. And it's pretty simple, but follow the step. And for those people who do not know what Midjourney is an AI on Discord which can create image out of text. You can enter the text and it'll create the image out of the text. Let's say I wanted to create a football. I can write a football with white stripes on text and Midjourney will create the image out of that text, which means it will basically create a football with stripes. That's what Midjourney is. And let me tell you how to go into private mode. And before I show you the step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. First step, you want to come to Midjourney and go into one of the newbies tab, and on the tab where it says message, click on it and write /private private. Once you do that, you can see where it says private, click on it and press enter. Once this message is sent, your private mode should be unlocked. But to unlock the private mode, you need to have the premium version. So I do have the premium version of Midjourney, but you need to have the ultra premium. Like there's going to be the $8 plan, $12 plan, and the $80 plan per month. You need to have the $80 plan per month. So unless you have that $80 premium version, you cannot use it. So I don't have that premium, so it's not turning on the private mode on. But if I did, it would have turned on the moment I wrote /private. But if you still want to go into private mode, what you can do is add Midjourney bot to your server. So this is the public server of Midjourney. If I create something, anybody can see it, but I have already added Midjourney on my server. We also have a video on how you guys can add Midjourney on your server. You can watch that video, add Midjourney to your server and use it privately if you don't want the premium version of Midjourney. Alright, hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I will see you guys next time.